Well, it was almost by chance. I drifted into computing because when I started, you didn't tend to have computing degrees. You actually went in, and I came from a maths degree, and you did a bit of computing, and I started working as a mathematician, and then just got a bit more interested in computing and drifted across. And as more I drifted, I found it was more interesting. And I moved across from the technical side of computing to the areas that I'm now more interested, which is on much more the softer side, all about sort of project management and quality, and that area that I now find absolutely fascinating. I don't think it was any more of a problem than working in other professions, really. It's really a matter of actually getting started, getting into the job, and possibly it's a bit more difficult, particularly as I'm an academic, in actually sort of making sure that you're keeping up to date, because most academic establishments are always a little bit short of money sometimes. So it's great fun, and if you get involved with something like BCS, you get involved with helping to run conferences, it automatically gives you the access to information, to networking, etc. Not to mention actually trotting around the world, which is quite nice. It's a very interesting career. It gives you the opportunity to network, to meet people, to really have a bit of fun in the job that you're doing. But also I think that you've got the opportunity to actually work more from home, because flexible working is very suitable with all the technology, particularly the more that's coming along the line. So it would fit into a family life, so you can combine them. And this is actually an advantage very much for women if you're looking long term. I think that unfortunately the view is that it's very geeky. Unless you're going to sit there with your head absolutely stuck into the terminal screen the whole time, and you'll never speak to anybody, and you'll never move out of your seat all day. And it's not like that. There's a lot of communication, and girls are very good at communicating. Women are good at communicating. They're perfect. There's so much now with the extra technology that we've got. It's much more about being able to liaise with people, get the right information, check that you've got it right. There's so many interesting things that actually go naturally for women. I'm afraid it's rather unconventional, but I would like to see more television soaps, very much linked in with this, because the children nowadays, and particularly their parents, they know what a vet does, they know what a doctor does, they know what a nurse does, because they've seen it on these television programmes. But how many programmes have been about people working in different aspects of the IT profession? They don't know. It's a marvellous career, and if you get a bit fed up with it, it's a marvellous stepping stone for other areas, because many people that work in career, much as in computing, much as I'd like them to stay in computing, I know lots of them that have moved across into the media, moved across into politics, etc., taking the skills that they've used and developed through IT into other professions. So it's a marvellous ground as a stepping stone to other things if you want to move out of IT.